illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you step by step how to draw a turtle character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our turtle characters. We're going to start with the shell. So the first thing we want to do is draw a little dome here. And we'll connect those two spots with a curved line as well. And we'll add the rim of the shell on by adding another parallel line here. All right, so we're going to have our turtle character walking. So we're going to start with its head coming out of its shell. So we'll start here, we'll come up, across, down, and back. Character is going to be super cute. We'll do two eyes. Two eyebrows. And one little smile. Now we're going to have the legs come out of the shell as well. So we'll start with the front leg down here. And we'll also put one that we'll see from the other side. And the back legs. All right, and turtles have these cute little tails. I'll put a tail coming out there as well. Now we'll work on some details. We'll start with the shell details here. You can really put any type of design on here that you want. I always like it when they're like geometric patterns with a bunch of shapes, but you can really do anything that you'd like for this particular detail. All right, and we'll add a couple little circles here. And a couple little toes. And we'll add a little detail underneath here so it looks like our turtle character is walking on the dirt or something. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our turtle characters. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. All right, illustrators, there we have our turtle characters. The last step that we have to do is to sign them. because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators. I hope that you all enjoyed drawing your turtles with me, and I hope that I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.